Hello everyone, welcome back to this House of Fashion. Hope you are wonderful. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut this lovely style you're seeing on the screen. It's an Ankara style. You can see it's an off-shoulder flare dress. Yeah, I'm making up 3 yards of this fabric to cut it. You can make it up 3 yards, you can make it up 6 yards, you can make it up 5 yards. It depends on how full you want your flare to be. So the first thing I will be cutting out here is going to be the flare before the band. So let me now fold this out now. So before you can cut the style out, you have to fold your fabric into 4 like a triangle. But since I'm making use of 3 yards of this fabric, I'm just going to cut it out in 180-degree. But assuming you have enough fabric, you can cut 180-degree in 2 places. Maybe I'm cutting 180-degree for the back and cut 180-degree for the front. So after folding it out, this is how it's going to be. Then we have to determine the roundness of the chest or the roundness of the shoulder. Yes, it's an off shoulder. And the bust measurement here, I think, is 39 inches. And the roundness of the shoulder will be around 40 inches. So how can we get our 40 inches with a pleat? This is not normal roundness of the shoulder. It has a pleat. That means the radius of this area must be doubled or triple. It depends on the fabric. So let's try to double it. So let me now determine where I can get my
radius. So taking it from up here, I will use 20 inches. Let me make it of 20 inches, then take the roundness of the 20 inches and see what I will get
as a radius. So taking 20 inches round, then after that I'll connect them together, then take the measurement. So this is after the connection. Then when I took the measurement, this is 16 inches. 16 inches in 4 places, that is 64 inches. We have in 2 places is 32, then in 4 places we have 64. So this is 64 inches. So 64, that means we doubled our roundness of the shoulder of 40 inches. We're supposed to get something like 80. You understand? But I'm getting 64 inches and I cannot increase it because of the length I'm supposed to have here. So I'll just use it like that. I'll use the 24 inches for the pleat. So taking this down, this is 26 inches length. But if I take it down, it will be too short. And I realize that the center will be more longer than the side. So the side is now 26 and the center, this is the area that is going to fall to the center. So I'll now make it 36. So that at the back is going to be it's going to go down at the back and it's also going to go down at the front, but the side will now go up with 10 inches distance. So I'm trying to connect it together from 36 to 26 inches. That is 10 inches difference. So I'm trying to connect them together. I'll now cut it out. After that, I can now cut out my band. So let me cut this out first. So after this now, I'll now take the armhole out. So I'm taking up let me use 5 inches up. Then the original armhole is 8 inches and that is it. Then I'll now come in with 1 inch. 1 inch just to bring out the shape of the armhole. Then I'll now connect it together like this. I can now cut it out. I use 1 inch because the wideness is not much. Then the 1 inch we deduct from here now is now 1 inch in 4 places. That means we're still deducting 4 inches away. So we left with only 20 inches to make the pleat. So that's why I don't go in too much. That's why I make it of 1 inch because our radius is not much for a pleat. So this is how it's going to be. The next thing here is going to be the band. You can see the shape of the flare. This is how it's going to be. If you have enough fabric, you can make it round the way it is on the thumbnail. So this is the band I'm using. I'm making use of 6 inches wideness, as you can see. So by the time I fold this into 2, I'll be left with 3 inches. Then half inch is going for the same allowance. That means the band is going to be 2.5 inches wideness. So you can make yours wider than that, depending on how you want it to be. So I just make it double. We're going to tie it at one end of the shoulder, then it's suspend down. It has a little band down like when you tie it finish, it's going to suspend down. So that's why I left some inches for it. So let me go and join all this together and show it to you. Welcome back. Here the finished work so far. This is after stitching everything together. This is the band, this is the pleat. The band is 2.5 inches. After stitching it, this is the sleeve, this is where we tie it and we suspend the remaining band. Then you can see the pleat, you can see how it is, you can see how beautiful this turns out and how simple this is. This is the side and you can see the center front, and also here is the center back. Please, if you're watching me for the first time, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. See my next tutorial. Bye.